सावधान ब्रह्मनाथ स्वस्थ.
Good morning, students. Let us discuss about an essay about your own experience from a journey. Let us discuss what are the points of a journey by train. So in this essay we have a lot of points and you have to remember it and describe it in your own way. Clear? First of all, introduction part, then arrangement part, then third one is your conclusion part. In first part, introduction part, why we have a journey to other place. The question you should keep in your mind, why we should have a journey or what kind of benefits we have from a journey. Let us discuss. First is your journey is a source of pleasure. Journey is a source of pleasure. From journey we have pleasure, we derive pleasure. And the second one is we gain experience and knowledge. How? You can ask me that how can we gain knowledge? Then come to these points and these points will help you to give the answer that how we have knowledge. We meet different kind of people. We meet different kind of people through our journey. And it helps our broaden our outlook. When we have a journey, when we are going on a journey, then it broaden our outlook. How it broaden? And it sharpen our knowledge. How it does? It broaden our outlook, it sharpen our knowledge. How? When we meet different types of people, when we keep contact with them, different types of people, and when we contact with them, then we can have some different knowledge about different states of our country, different regions of our country. We can gain our knowledge about regional things or about national, international things. And it gives us an opportunity. It gives us an opportunity to exchange our views. With whom we can exchange our views? The people who are sitting beside us. We can exchange our views. You also have experience about a journey while moving to different places in a bus or in a train or in a flight. You have these things. So, it gives us the opportunity to exchange our views with different types of people from different region, different locality, different states, different districts, etc. And as it gives us pleasure, so we can conclude here in our introduction part that we derive pleasure from our journey. This is the most important thing. You know, when the temperature is 40 to 50 degrees Celsius, People can't bear the intense heat of the sun. They feel just like roasting. Then generally people wish to go to different hill stations. Why? Why should not switch on the AC and keep ourselves in the four walls of the bedroom? Because people derive pleasure from journey after the monotonous or stereotyped life. What is monotonous and stereotyped? As you know, as you are a student of 10th class, what is your duty, what is your obligation, or what is your, we can say, the responsibilities? Only to have your study complete, isn't it? When we get up in the morning, we just make ourselves busy with our study, and we do our homeworks, we prepare ourselves for the examination, etc. Like this, our parents also remains busy with their stereotyped or regular routine work. Mothers, they keep themselves busy in their household activities. Fathers, they busy in their professions to give their earnings to support the family. So all are busy with their stereotyped life or monotonous life. That's right. After being exhausted with our monotonous life, then people love to fly to or go to a different distant place to relax our exhausted brain or to make ourselves free from the stereotype or monotonous life. Clear? So these points are for introduction. Clear? Next, come to the second point, arrangement. If we want to go to a different place, then definitely we will have to make a proper planning, a proper arrangement for that journey. Whatever it may be to Kullu, Manali or Uti or any different hill stations or any different tourist place. Whatever the place may be, you have to make a special planning. As we go to that place with our family members, so all the members are concerned to that journey. So they will have to sit and prepare their planning or arrangement for the journey. So the first preparation or the arrangement, what is it? That is the occasion. Occasion means the day and date should be there. When and where, to which place or when, what is the time you have already selected for it. So you have to mention the day and date and also the place. You have to mention in the first part of arrangement. Then the second part is your booking tickets. If you go by bus, you also have to book ticket, and if you go train or flight, etc., you also have to book ticket previously, 1 month ago, etc. Then the family members, as we are moving to that place with our family members, so all the requirements, all the necessities, it should be enlisted for each person, each member of that journey. Then see, now you have to describe about the platform, the compartment, etc. So the prior arrangement has been done. Then the second point comes, scene of the platform. So when you go to the railway station platform and standing at the platform, what do you feel? The full of hustle and bustle. That means it is overcrowded. People are moving here and there, that is called, and making a lot of sound, that is called hustle and bustle. So the platform is full of hustle and bustle. Clear? Then come to our next point, manage to have a seat. Now we got an opportunity to carry on our journey, to continue our journey. Then the first point is your manage to have a seat. So after arriving at the platform, when the train also arrived, or at the bus stand when the bus also allowed to enter, then we find our seat accordingly. We can't sit here and there as for our wish. We have to sit according to our number of the seat. Clear? Then, as it is the essay on a journey by train, then we have to write down here, the train steamed off. The train steamed off and moved towards the destination. Steamed off. Steamed off means started its running. You have to develop your vocabularies while writing essays. So steamed off and destination. That means the train started its journey towards its destination. Then when we find seats in the compartment, then we got an opportunity, or then we will get an opportunity to watch the outside scenery, the natural scenery of outside. As we go for the first time by train, then we feel excited. How it runs. People come and sit and left their place, etc. So we also enjoy our journey. So natural scenery we enjoyed after having all the verbs I have written here in past tense, because after having the experience of or on a journey by train, we are going to write down the essay. That's why we should write the verbs in only V2 form. You can use also V2 with head plus V3 or past perfect if you need. Then reach the destination, and after starting of the train, it continues for days or it continues for some hours, and while moving, while running, we have the opportunity to enjoy the natural beauty or natural scenery of outside, and we could not know or we can't know when it arrives or when it arrived at the destination. Clear? So we reached our destination. So in first paragraph, introductory arrangement paragraph, the place, the date you have already mentioned, and in this way your conclusion, your reach the destination, also your we, you can mention here the name at the platform of Cuttack or at the platform of Delhi or at the platform of Banaras, etc. Then come to the third part. This is your conclusion part. It is the important one. I must say here, it is the important part, because it depends on your views, it depends on your opinions. You got an opportunity to make a journey by train to a different place, to a distant place, then how you enjoyed the whole journey. So you have to give your impression here. Your impression, your feelings, your opinion on that journey. How you enjoyed. So we can say here we enjoyed it very much. That means positive. You should be positive, giving it your opinion. Clear? And we can write down here the line. It will be, the journey will be remembered by me. The journey will be remembered. I always remember. We can say, I always remember, or it can be passivized, it will be remembered. Clear? The journey will be remembered and flashed in mind forever. Clear? And in this part also, you can write down the most important thing, the most important positivity you derive from the journey. You can mention here. That's why it is, or it will be remembered and flashed in your mind. Clear? So, before writing this essay, you have to collect some memory from your experience that when and to which place you have already made the journey. You can take help of these points. You can take help of the points from the test papers or essay books and write down in your essay notebook. Thank you.